Hey guys. Hey guys, so hey guys, I know it's been a while. I look crazy. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay guys, so I know it's been a while since you guys have been with me. I am going to talk behind the camera. But this is the patio right now that I have, and we have to try to clean this thing up as much as we can so we can organize it to what we need it to become. Okay, which is a guest bedroom. So this whole weekend I'm going to basically be cleaning up this patio and trying to turn it into something. Okay, so bear with me and good luck. The things that I'll try to sell as much as I can of what I have. Most of it is just poor organization, because all of the stuff here is just stuff that I don't use, that's just poorly organized. But we're gonna fix that all up, like stuff like that. This is just trash, but yeah, okay. It's a project that we're gonna get to. And that's my photography stuff right there. It's just a hot mess, guys. Hot mess, hot mess. And then on this side is more tools. Yeah. So this patio needs some love. All right, let's do this. So guys, as you guys can tell, I'm putting away my backdrops. Oh my goodness. So what I used right here is just the DIY hack. I used a shoe rack to put all my backdrops. I have about 20 backdrops that I use for photography, and I wanted to find a way to just put them up where I can get to them quickly without hanging them on the ceiling. So I figured I'd use a shoe rack. The shoe rack works great, but it's a little bit wobbly. If I could find something more sturdier, more stable, I would definitely go for that. But I do like the fact that it's a tower and I could separate my my backdrops. Now guys, this right here was a little bit tedious. I had to literally dust the walls, take the dust off the walls. I don't know why I didn't just grab a broom. I don't know, I didn't think about that. But I decided to actually grab a duster and dust all the dust off the walls to the parts that I could reach. I barely got like all the spots, but there's so many grooves and holes on an exterior wall that you have to literally take your time to get into the wall to get rid of all the dust. And I was just getting rid of like all the dust and as much as I could, but I was getting tired. Look, I could barely walk. I was tired, guys, but I think eventually I did end up just dusting the walls with a broom. All we have left is the dog and a rug, and that's about it. Yeah, we got this wall we're gonna paint up. Okay, we got all of this we're gonna do. That's all the stuff, guys. So we gotta get this project in motion. All right, so we cleared up the spot. The floor is 20 by 10. Hey guys, thank you for joining me. So basically, I'm trying to turn my patio into a guest bedroom. So far, we're gonna start closing up this area. We're gonna get this thing in motion. We're gonna close up this area and that area. That's definite. Not sure how we're gonna do it yet, but we're figuring it out. I'm getting the double doors tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna get 2 double doors, but either way, we're getting her done. So that's really excited. I just gotta work on storage facilities for my photography stuff, and that's about it, guys. So it's almost that time. We have like 12 weeks to go to hatch this baby. So we gotta hurry up and get this guest room done so I can have my